who will advance to the finals.
Isang team lang pala itong 4 sa RNB.
First by both teams. Tucking jerseys, please.
Jersey, tuck in.
Tucking for jerseys. Let's get it on. Luka Doncic, first time.
Possession, ha?
Number 3 on Doncic. Number 45. Single.
Wala si Atorni.
17 to shoot.
Atorni, wala.
But there is a foul on number 29, Seroy. That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Number 45, 10 to shoot. Gonzalez. Cross court to Long. Long to Clay. Three-point the ball. Official score is 3-0. Again, twice baseline. Next to this, Rebound to Val. Number 45. Number 45, steps on the glass. Kick out. Romo. Single. With 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 to shoot. But there is a foul on number 81, Aguilar. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 77, Luka Doncic. No good, splitting the charity, and that's a board by Tanggal. Nakakaon sa likod. Yun. Way off the mark. Put that 2 points, but it's away.
Nagrenuha niya kanina.
Double foul on number 91, Tanggal, and number 29, Seroy. Seroy, that is his second personal foul. Tanggal, only his first. Number 35, Gonzalez. Takes the pass. Down the fence. 3 seconds. second key turnover. Official score is 4-2 in favor of RNBJ. Again, brings it to Vidalon. Vidalon being it. Vidalon over. But there is a foul on number 45. Only his first personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 23, Vidalon.
Sino yung 24 na? Di pumasok? Toy, attention tayo ah.
No good, 0 out of 2 on that triple line for Vidalon. Number 45. Drives, lays, over, Paloma, 2-ball, no! Rebound Gonzalez.
Matik yan!
Short, rebound Longo. But there is a foul
Number 9.
on number 9.
First.
Number 9, that is his first personal foul, substitution. Third team foul. Two free throws for Long.
Pumasok?
Wala pa mintis to ah. Ilang mintis yan eh. Mintis na?
Second throw is good as well. Trickles in, 2 out of 2. 62 our official tally. With 7 minutes and 36. Garcia signaling the play. Chapla. Vidalon. No. Rebound number 45. Repeated Vidalon. Steal. Vidalon goes all the way. 2 points. 6-4. Dalawa pa rin ang maramang ng RNBJ with 7 points and 8. Here's Luka Doncic. Luka Doncic.
Grabe ko lang po yun.
Vidalon.
Narinig dito.
Vidalon. No, second serving is good for Vidalon. All 6 our official tally. Long fakes, shoots, no. Rebound, Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Vidalon, 12 seconds on the shot clock. Vidalon, 17. Turnover. Gonzalez is on. He wins. 86. Under 6 minutes remaining. Vidalon, Aguilar. Aguilar. Our official tally ang isang team partner. Gonzalez Ramos. No. Rebound sila. Ayan. Sansa. Short. Rebound Munday. Quickly to Doncic. Over to Longo. Fakes. Longo fires. No. Black ball. Substitution. Garcia. Looking to pass to Vidalon. Vidalon shoots. Air ball. Number 45, crossing the midcourt. Gonzalez. Longo. Total loses the ball. Vidalon.
dito.
Number 45 to Gonzalez.
Ayaw mo yun? Ay, nabatos bata ako pa dito.
Gonzalez.
Time out. Time out.
R&B Jim.
All sila mo. First.
Number 24, that is his first personal foul. First team foul.
Second.
Or second team foul. Official score natin 11-8 in favor of Panthers with 4 minutes and 15 remaining in the first quarter.
Ano? Ay mo.
Back to Mogi.
Uy, gagalaw mo yan. Gagalaw mo yan.
Vidalion, number 23, over to the other Vidalion. Garcia all along. Short, rebound at sama. Gonzalez. Gonzalez, being high by Vidalion. Gives it to number 45. Number 45. Castro. No. Laksamana against Tulsa. Laksamana. Over to number 45. But there is a foul on number 21.
Medallion. First.
Vidalion, that is his first personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 free throws, awarded to number 45.
Mga crowd.
Saan pag pumasok? Anong pangalan mo? Iglesias.
Second throw on the way. In and out, rebound Vidalion. Garcia. Vidalion, 12 to shoot. Garcia. Vidalion, 8 to shoot. But there is a foul. Substitution.
Sino foul? Sino foul? Long no. Second.
Number 24, that is his second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws, awarded to Vidalion.
El, baka tamaan ka dyan ha.
Para salbungin kita tapos ulit.
Second throw is good as well, 2 out of 2. Number 45, Gonzalez. 15 to shoot, Loco. Fakes, pulls up, long scores. 13 to 10, now the official tally. Still in favor of the Panthers. With 3 minutes exactly remaining in the first. Aguilar pulls up. Aguilar, 3! 16 to 10. 2 minutes and 46. Gonzalez. Salaya, no foul. There is a foul on number 9, De Castro.
Second.
De Castro, that is his second personal foul.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Sub tayo ah. Pag may tawag, huwag mo magreklamo.
Good on the first. For Yamo.
Ay, may sub tayo to ah.
Substitution. Iglesias. Garcia. Garcia. Here is a foul caught
Sino foul?
on
Iglesias?
number 11, Iglesias.
First.
That is his first personal foul, third team foul, or penalty, sorry.
Penalty na penalty.
2 free throws for Gonzalez.
Wala pala yung Gonzales na. Pati Arjan.
Tapos si Jerry.
Oo nga pala si Jeremy pa.
2 out of 2 on that trip on the line for Gonzalez, making our official score 19-14. Still in favor of the Panthers. Ilayon. Iglesias. But there is a foul
Laksamana.
on number 18.
First.
Laksamana, that is his first personal foul, third team foul.
Port na port.
Oh, fourth team foul. Wrong. Iglesias. Ilayon. Ilayon steps back. Ilayon from back to goal. 21-14. Gonzalez. Goes up. Go. Ilayon. 40 on the shot clock. Iglesias. Aguilar. Rebound. Number 45. Number 45. Gonzalez. 14 to shoot. Gonzalez. Laksamana.
Who's foul rep?
Caught on number 21, Vidalion.
Second.
Vidalion, that is his second personal foul penalty. 2 free throws for number 91, Tonggal.
Mulan. Ay.
Trickles in on the second, splitting neutrality, 1 out of 2. That is his second personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw awarded to number 19, Gonzalez. Completes the three-point play. It's Gonzalez. 21-18. 4-second differential to be the shot clock of the game clock. Iglesias. Garcia. Turnover. Goes away.
First.
On number 13,
Penalty.
Garcia, that is his first personal
Ay,
foul.
sa kabila. Garcia pala yung foul. First.
2 free throws for number 0, Balto.
Pumasok.
Number 7, 0 out of 2.
Pas mo.
End of the first quarter.
Running time na. Fourth quarter pa na. Second.
To
2 minutes
18
yung
in
stop
favor
pa.
of the Panthers.
Pag tumagal yung pag malayo, stop ka.
Ingatan mo yan, to. Yun ang pinaka
Nangyari ka dyan. Hindi ka.
Oo, semi-finals ko eh.
Back to the ball game. Start of the second quarter.
Tama yan, 18 lang.
Alis sa tanggal ah, may anak sa
Number 0. Torres. Vidalion fakes. Vidalion. Goes up. Way off the mark. Rebound Solis. Over to Manaya. 10 seconds to shoot. Vidalion. Tugger. Rebound by Doncic. Gonzalez.
Ay, di na pagurma.
Doncic.
Nahiya, nahiya.
Samara. Losing the ball. Good steal. Gonzalez. Doncic. Doncic. Gonzalez. Easy two. 21 to 20. Sa nakakalaman ng Panthers. Here's what happened. Manaya pulls up. Elmo. Solis. No. Rebound Gonzalez. 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 Good. Solis. Manaya pulls up. No good. Rebound Seroy. Manaya. 10 on the shot clock. Vidalion. Seroy. Drives baseline. Lock. 3 seconds on the shot clock. 3 seconds to shoot. Seroy saves. Seroy scores. 23 to 20. On a tackle play. Gonzalez to the other Gonzalez. Elmo.
Tumukol na.
Vidalion. Crossing the timeline. Vidalion. 50 on the shot clock. Pangarap. Seroy. Out to Vidalion. Vidalion. In and out. Rebound Doncic. Over to Gonzalez. 3 on 4. Gonzalez. Out to Doncic. Back to Gonzalez. 13 on the shot clock. Logno. All low.
Kondisyon?
3 threes.
Kondisyon?
Bagong changer eh. Bagong changer ba? Bagong changer yan.
Vidalion. To Alan Gonzalez. With 12 seconds to shoot. Seroy. Solis. Save ball.
Sub,
With
sub,
5
sub,
seconds
sub.
on the shot clock. Substitution. 5 seconds to shoot. Again. Now, loosen the pass. Shot clock violation. Turnover.
Tira mo na!
Eh, ilang nandiyan sa amin.
Ano lang ka, ano? Nasandot eh, no?
Gonzalez. To the other Gonzalez. Reynard Gonzalez. Second delay. 14 to shoot. Doncic. Long fakes. Long pass fakes. Kobe.
Grabe yun! Grabe yun, favorite!
27.
Kobe!
Vidalion.
Kobe!
Soy. Vidalion. Three-pointer. Airball. No. Short. to shoot.
Pinaliwa eh. Pinaliwa sa balawa. Iya masih trauma na iya pa.
Doncic. Gonzalez, lead by Barcelona. Being given a bit. 12-2. Gonzalez. Drives runner.
Pawian. Hindi ganyan eh.
23.
Mabanda pa yun ah.
Pwede mo lang ba ako?
With a lead. Over to Aguilar. 14 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Savoy fakes, drives. Back goes. Gonzalez hits the ball. Gonzalez goes all the way to the other Gonzalez. Go. Aguilar blows the layup. Vidalion. No good. De Castro. Naagaw. 11 to shoot. Vidalion short side. Yes, sir. 27 to 25. Just a one possession ball game in favor of the RV Gym. Under 5 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Gonzalez, 15 on the shot clock. Gonzalez, on the roll. Long, rebound now. Basket is good. Down.
Nice shot.
Foul on number 9, De Castro. Timeout, Team Panthers.
Ay,
De Castro, that is his third personal foul, first team foul.
Third na ba? Nakapag kasi nun.
problema yun. Pag nanalo to, sino kayang pipili ng dalawang kung manalo sa championship? Sino?
Back to the loading.
Sinong pipili ng dalawang kung manalo?
Yes, solid 5.
Ha? Solid talaga.
Bonus free throw, awarded to number 24, Longo.
Grabe si Long, no? Putungin lang yan. Lahat sa kanya score, oh.
Completes the 3-point play, 13 to 25, our total score. Garcia, Vidalion. Aguilar, 13 on the shot clock. Garcia. No good. Rebound at Saman. Gonzalez. Lead pass number 45. Over to Lomo. Doncic. Gonzalez. Number 45. Laksamana. Lomo.
Grabe yun. Tanga ako sa kanya lahat. Turasan mo to eh.
Substitution.
19 points na.
Quiet 19 yun ah.
19 na.
Garcia over to Vidalion. Garcia. Rebound from Gal. Rebound. Aguilar. But there is a foul on number 91, Tongal. That is his second personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 81, Aguilar. Cannot complete the second free throw. 0 out of 2. Red ball. Number 45. 15 to shoot. Gonzalez. Fires.
Iwanan.
Lead pass to Garcia. Garcia lays out. In and out. Rebound Gonzalez. Gonzalez goes to black ball. Substitution.
Siya yung ano sa ere, bumungga eh.
Galing naman na.
Martinez. No good. Number 45. Gives it to Gonzalez. Villalón. Tucker goes for layup. Number 45. Gonzalez. Runner. No good. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Last touch on the
Tumama, pagtapik tumama. Baka sa tuhod. Yung laptop niya, pag tinamaan yun, goodbye yan.
Yan, saan pera yan? Gonzalez. Gonzalez, lays up, 2 points. Villalón. Villalón, being counted by number 45. Number Garcia. Villalón, naka. Number 45. Ayun, yes,
Tama.
Defenders. Official score is 39 to 25 in favor of Orange Legion with a minute and 34 in the second quarter.
Ayun,
Bata mo
uy,
ilo.
paalalahanan mo yun, hindi natin sagutin yun ha. Pag tinamaan yun ha. Ha?
Ano kasama ni Romeo yan? Diyan, patay na naman
Back to the ball game.
Saan na naman tayo?
Si Boy Labo pala yun, oh, Boy Labo.
Choi. Aguilar. Out to Choi. 13 to shoot. It takes a swing to the Iglesias. Open Aguilar. Drives. Aguilar lays up for 2. 21-27. 3-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. 17 on the shot clock. Turnover.
Last shot.
Last 13 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
kasi sa ano, tayo.
10 seconds. Ngayon, nagawa. That is a foul. On number 19, Gonzalez. Only his first personal foul, second team foul.
Kitang-kita naman eh.
Substitution.
Huwag kang maya mo. Huwag mo may bibigay pag hindi sila kumpa dito.
Ngayon. What's up? Close area. End of the second quarter. Official score is 41-27 in favor of R&D Gym.
Ha? Sige, gamitin nyo. Kailangan habulin nyo yan ha, pag ginamit nyo yan ha. yung 5,000 ko, putangin na.
May baby ba kayo?
Ah.
Bibigyan mo ha. Distract mo lang kasi.
Toy, hayaan mo muna. Papahingayin mo muna, matabaw pa naman.
Sabi o, pagka-skin o.
Pwede na yan. Padulas daw yung isa eh. Kasi ka muna, Koy.
Hey! Hey! Half time! Mga 90 ah.
Kasi ka muna yun. Wait lang! Koy!
Hey, half time kuya, kuya!
Wala pa!
Half time, half time!
Wala pa!
Mga 9.
Half time di ba yun eh? Wala pa!
Pahinga muna kayo, pahinga, half time, half time.
Rep! Wala pa!
9.
Pahinga muna, pahinga!
Half time niya, kuya!
Dito atas binigyan.
Sige malibang, huwag kang magmakalibang. Dapat ay itawa lang. Kapag meron sa babae, dapat tinig na. Ay kamo sila, magkapos sa'yo, diba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, lahat ka na loloko. Pagkatapos ka pati ng mga wigala na yun. Kaya wag na pusulit pa. Kaya wag na pusulit pa.
Back to the ballgame. Start of our third quarter.
Oh, yung bola natin ha.
Vidalion to start the third. On the shot clock. 15 to shoot. Vidalion scores. Vidalion. Only his first personal foul, first team foul. 16 on the shot clock. Doncic, fires. Tonggal, goes back. Go! Here comes Vidalion. Seroy pulls up. No, rebound Ayaw. Sa gitna, Aguilar. Number 45. Number 45. Go pass. Basket for the foul. 2 points for number 77. Luka Doncic.
Second.
Foul on number 21. That is his second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to Luka Doncic. You cannot complete a 3-point play. 43 to 34. Goes up. Short. Leon slowly. Vidalion another one. Short. 43 to 26. Under 8 minutes. Gonzalez. Oh, sorry, lots of money. 13 on the shot clock. Gonzalez goes up. 46 to 46. Stay going. 21 seconds on the shot clock. 21 to shoot.
Seroy. Second.
Seroy, that is his second personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus free throw allowed to the number 1 completes the 3-point play. 49 to 36. Vidalion. To the other Vidalion. Aguilar. 14 to shoot. Ayaw. Ayaw fakes. Pulls up. Rebound. Gonzalez. AJ Speed. Gonzalez. Recovers. 14 on the shot clock. Tonggal. Laksamana. Out to number 45. Drives. Laksamana. Shoots. Basket goal. 51 to 36. Still on the number on BJ. Vidalion. Seroy. Vidalion. Laksamana now with the basketball. Over to Gonzalez. Gonzalez fires. Short. Dinalion goes all the way to points. 51-40. Lamigsan na halo ng Panthers. Number 45. Drives. Brings up. Yes, sir!
Galing.
53-40.
Galing nun. Kaya nga, galing.
Dinalion. Malakas. Rebound. Dinalion. Seroy. Takes. Seroy. Throwing violation. Substitution. Number 45, crossing the midcourt. Goes all the way, blocked by Manayo. Manayo gets the pass. Over to Ganda. Seroy. In and out. Habol Gonzalez. Gonzalez over to Longo. Longo says wait. Cross court to number 45. 14 on the shot clock. Number 45, Laksamana. That is a foul on number 21. With Alion, that is his third personal foul, 13 foul.
Third pa lang.
2 free throws awarded to number 18 at Laksamana.
Dumudulas din pala eh.
Hindi na dudulas pag nababasa.
No goal at the first is Laksamana.
Di pumasok ah.
Trickles in on the second, splitting the charity, 54-40. Seroy, Lusolis. Pinakasa sa laban. Number 45. Drives. At pinakasa sa laban. Dinalion. Dinalion stops. Gives it to Seroy. Seroy drives. Lays out.
Ayan na si Roy.
Laksamana. To number 45. Pongal receives the pass. Gonzalez fires. Short, rebound Solis. Dinalion, total. Gonzalez, Pongal. Lono, all the fakes. Lono, Pongal, Gonzalez. Substitution.
Lapit kayo dito pa nag-sub. Ha?
Seroy. Cross court to Dinalion. To number 9. Rebound Laksamana. Gonzalez. Number 45. 14 on the shot clock. Gonzalez. Same basketball.
Sub.
Substitution. 9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds to shoot. Long run. steal, Laksamana, runner. Gracia recovers. Aguilar. Aguilar spins, bola. Aguilar backs down. Aguilar shoots, no. Good defense, number 45. Gonzalez takes. Gonzalez no. But there is a foul.
Solis first.
Number 91, only his first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Penalty na
A
penalty.
penalty. That's the first. Gonzalez.
Magsaburutan kayo dyan, ha?
56-42.
Magsaburutan kayo dyan. Sa... Ha? Sino?
Solis.
Di pa, dalawa pa.
Buenas. Rebound Solis.
Foul.
Substitution.
Foul, Gonzalez. Second.
Gonzalez, that is his second personal foul.
First.
Team foul.
Ito, lagyan mo first.
12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 to shoot. Seroy. Skins. Vidalion. Basket and good. Personal foul. Caught.
Long no. Itungal, third.
Number 91, that is his third personal foul.
Second.
Second team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 21, Vidalion.
Buhin nyo dun, ha, pag nagkanuhan yun, ha.
Completes a three-point play. 56-45. An 11-point deficit for Team Raptors. 2 minutes and 22. 13 to shoot.
Stop.
9 seconds to shoot.
Matay.
Short. Rebound Aguilar. Aguilar. Goes all the way. Basket is good. Comes the foul.
Sino foul?
Stop.
Gonzalez.
Stop yan.
Foul
Third.
number 19. Gonzalez, that is his third personal foul.
Third team foul.
Third team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 81, Aguilar.
Sub daw, sub. Ha? 19? Vidalion? Gonzalez, tatlo na.
Completes the three-point play, making our official tally 56-48.
Habol yun, no?
2 minutes. 2 minutes. 15 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Violation. One step too many, turnover.
Sub.
Substitution.
Laksamana. Second.
Number 18, Laksamana, that is his second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 free throws awarded to number 81, Aguilar.
Nilakasan niya, natakot mahabol. Nilakasan niya pag layup. Akala niya mahabutan siya eh. Amaya, pag pumasok.
Penalty kami daw. Penalty.
Oh,
Penalty. Ginawa? Hindi ka pa kawain.
Good on the second.
Sub.
Substitution. (56 to 49). Our official tally. Keeping an eye in the harbor. Team Panthers. A minute and 10. Gonzalez. Balik sa sakto ang kalabangan. Official scores 59 to 49. After a minute remaining. Jorginho on the shot clock. Vidalion passes his way. Vidalion scores. 59 to 51.
Lapad eh. Laki eh.
Gonzalez. 13 on the shot clock. Leading a big. Gonzalez fires. No. Rebound Vidalion. Lead pass to Iglesias. Iglesias. Oh! 59 to 53. Pass. 4 seconds. Kobe. Yes!
Grabe yun, oh.
End of the third quarter.
Grabe yun!
Official score is 69 to 53.
Ang lupit doon, humiga na. Humiga na eh, no? Ang inang kaya na.
Range niya yung boss eh.
Kaya nga. Humiga na.
Gulang na talaga.
Magulang na.
Tinahan na talaga. Kailan ang boss yan?
Ha?
5%.
Thursday. Sa 6 November 6.
Kapag pinasama na, papala yung ano.
Jen.
Mahirap na pigilan yung range niya.
Back to the ball game. Start of our fourth quarter.
Anong bola tayo?
Red ball. Gonzalez to start the fourth. To the other Gonzalez. Back to Reynard Gonzalez. Doncic. AJC fires. Gonzalez. 64 to 53. Pamaran signaling the play. Music for the last one. Oh, low for layup. Gonzalez. Raise up. No. He got Doncic. This is a foul.
Tatlo. Tatlo ba? Oo, tatlo pa. Number 1, first
Foul on number 1. That is his first personal foul.
team
First
foul.
team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 77, Luka Doncic. Makes the second, splitting the charity. 65 to 53. Pamaran signals the play. Aguilar releases the down pass. Back to Pamaran. Vidalion in the middle. Vidalion takes the pass. 12 to shoot. De Castro fires. 65-55.
Toy, basi time out, Toy.
Laksamana. Gonzalez. Lima Miguel. Aguilar. Coast to coast. No. Lima Gonzalez. 2-on-2 break. Gonzalez. The long ball. 2 points. Timeout, Team Panthers. Official score is 67-55. Still in favor of R&B Gym with 8 minutes and 35 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Tangin na may buhat na buhat ni Randy ah. Batang-bata ah. Oh, si Randy yung magiging ano ko ah. Ha? Kaya nga. Plano ko pa naman dito.
Back to the ballgame.
Ha? Namimili niya ako mamaya pag nakita. Basta pag itong pumasok kasi, dito mamimili. Sabagay, ito na lang. Dito na ako kukuha.
Garcia. Shoot. In and out. Rebound Laksamana. Gonzalez to Longlong. Longlong makes his move. Pulls up. Yes, sir.
Grabe yun. Tangin natin yan. Scoring machine.
Pamarang. 15 to shoot. Vidalion. Garcia. Pamarang. Vidalion. But there is a foul. Holding foul
Sino foul?
on number 18. Laksamana.
Third.
Substitution. Laksamana, that is his third personal foul, first team foul.
Fourth quarter na
14 on the shot clock. Garcia. Substitution. Go. Laksamana steals the ball. Gonzalez.
Timeout.
Timeout the Panthers. Official score is 73-58. Still in favor of R&B Gym with 6 minutes and 54 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Back to the ballgame.
Nakahaba, butik na yun. Kuntian mo lang, putang.
Garcia. 15 on the shot clock. 15 to shoot. Vidalion, Enrique. Vidalion. Drive to the middle. Vidalion, save basketball. Substitution.
Sabrek!
Substitution. Oh, but there is a foul on number 18.
Paul?
Laksamana, pushing
Laksamana,
foul.
apat na.
Laksamana, that is his fourth personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution.
Manayaw first.
Manayo, that is only his first personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Two free throws for number 23, Gonzalez.
Kaya pa yun, no? Haba pa nun. Haba pa talaga yung boss. Ha? 14 lang. Kaya pa yun eh. Ayun na, 15
Makes the
na.
first, splitting the charity. 74-58.
Papalisin yun dun pala.
Ay, yung mga tao doon sa ilalim ng, ng
Basket.
court, adjust na lang please.
Ayun o, check natin WCBL.
Vilalion, Seroy, Manayaw, Manayaw Golden, short. Webo, last touch on block.
Mark! Mark! Ikaw kumuha!
Gonzalez. Dinimay by Vilalion. 15 on the shot clock. Doncic. Tanggal. Go. Rebound Aguilar. 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 Logan. Seroy. Fakes. Shoots. Rolls the layup. Tanggal. Over to Gonzalez. 15 on the shot clock. Gonzalez. Doncic. Yes, sir. 76-58. 5.5 remaining in the fourth. Vilalion. Together, Vilalion. But there is a foul
23.
on number 23, Gonzalez.
Gonzalez first.
Only his first personal
Third.
foul, 13 foul. Two shots awarded to number 21, Vilalion.
Sub, sub.
Makes the first for Vilalion. Cannot complete the second one. Rebound, Tanggal.
Daw dito asap.
1 more. 12 to shoot. Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Nakakuha yung Reynald Gonzalez. Ang offensive rebound. Under 5 minutes remaining. Aging speed. Fires. No. Rebound Vilalion. Vilalion. Vilalion runner. No. Gets his own miss. Put back 2. 76-61. Gonzalez. 15 on the shot clock. Pulls up. Rebound Vilalion. Gonzalez. All along is Doncic. Now, put back.
Time out.
Timeout, Team Panthers.
Isa pa, isa pa. Hindi sila ng timeout ng third quarter eh.
To 61, still in favor of the RBJ with
Doon
4
tatlo pa.
minutes and 8 seconds remaining in the fourth. To be exact, we only have 248 seconds remaining in the ball.
Tama na ba kaya 76?
Tama. Tama yan.
78, 78. Nakascore sila. Sa fast break.
This will score 78-61.
Naka-fast break, di ba?
Hindi ka kasi ang gawain.
Doncic. 9 to shoot. Rebound Solis. At the same goal, Gonzalez. 2.5 remaining. On the shot clock. Miller. Rebound Amaran. Amaran. Lakas. Laksana to number 45. Maaga ang Seroy. Solis. Miller. Solis, second serve. Number 5. Laksana over to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, number 45, rolls the layup. Javier, goes up. Javier, 3! 78-64. Number 45, over to Gonzalez. Gives it to Tongkay. 15 on the shot clock. Gonzalez. 10 to shoot. Doncic. But there is a running foul on number 91.
Solis second.
That is his second personal foul. 13 foul.
Shut down, shot.
Substitution. Two free throws awarded to number 77, Doncic. Makes the first. Two out of two on that trip on the line, making our official tally 80-64. Good defense by Gonzalez. Laksamana all alone. Laksamana, 2 points. 82-64. A minute and 36 remaining in the game. Cheroli. Reverse slam is good. 82-66. Laksamana. Laksamana. Back Evans.
Third.
Cheroli, that is his third personal foul, warning for penalty.
Wala na, sayang.
Gonzalez. 10 to shoot. Tongkay. Free throw jumper. Gonzalez. But there's a
Medallion.
foul.
Second. Penalty.
Villalon, that is his second personal foul, penalty. 2 free throws awarded to number 23, Gonzalez.
Talo na, sayang.
Good on the first.
Dinali sila ni, ni Tanda. Dinali ng mga pedaway. Ngayon.
2 out of 2 for Gonzalez. 84-66. Manayaw. Manayaw lays up for 2. 84-68. On the shot clock. 16 seconds to shoot with 42 seconds remaining in the ball game. Dongal, Gonzalez, Laksamana, Vidalion, Seroy cuts down the lead, 84 to 70. Last 30 seconds. Dongal receives the pass, back to Doncic. 14 on the shot clock. Doncic shoots.
Bigla mo ako yawan foul.
Nice game. Nice game.
De Castro 3.
Very good ah.
End of the ball game. Official score is 84 to 73. And your finals bound team, RMB Gym. Good game pa rin sa Team Panthers.
Sunod mo lang yan, si.
Oo.
Wala. Fade away mo.
Na 43 point. 43 years old pala.
Gamitan ng fade away.
Walang gana. Wala yan. Wala nga na yan. Maganda nga yun eh, para mabilis